The Florida Supreme Court has just approved a new rule that impacts lawyers and their military spouses across the Sunshine State.
This Florida Bar TV news update is brought to you by Florida Lawyers Mutual Insurance Company. Florida Lawyers Mutual, defending the reputations of Florida attorneys since 1989. Go to flmic.com to learn more about the company, created by lawyers for lawyers.
The second time was the charm, as the bar's proposed rule to allow lawyer spouses of military personnel stationed in Florida to practice law cleared Supreme Court muster on July 19th. The court approved creating Chapter 21 of the rules regulating the Florida bar and also new rule of the Supreme Court relating to admissions to the bar 2-23.7. The changes allow the lawyer spouses of military personnel, if they meet multiple conditions, including passing the character and fitness review, to practice in Florida for up to 5 years without taking the bar exam. Karen Scanlon, who heads the National Military Spouse JD Network, a bar association for lawyers married to service members, said the rule approval is especially significant because Florida, which has several military bases from Key West to Pensacola, is home to around 55,000 service members. She estimated, though, that the rule will be used by only around 5 to 10 lawyers. Florida becomes the 30th state, plus the Virgin Islands, to have a military spouse rule. Noting the effort in Florida began 4 years ago, Scanlon says the bar has been amazing in its support of this initiative, keeping the dialogue open between their efforts and our efforts. In instituting the new rule, the court notes that the hope of doing so will alleviate some of the hardships associated with service in the U.S. Armed Services. To learn more about the program and its eligibility requirements, visit floridabar.org.
Visit flmic.com, the insurance company created by the Florida Bar.